If someone sends you an invitation through email, that is an event invitation through email, then in order to respond it, you can go around and access out that email right here. And then over here, you can see that you can choose whether to say yes, maybe, or no. So if I were to go around and say yes, then what happens is that it'll simply say meeting accepted over here, just like this. And on the other person's calendar right here, so if I were to go to calendar just like this, over here, you can see that there's a meeting over here. And then if I were to go around and expand this, over here you can see that it says one attendee said yes right here. That is because the other person responded it as yes. And that is how you can respond to event invitations that you get through email inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.